Today, I'm testing a hair product that promises to give you the hair of a superhero. Spoiler alert, I won't be flying anywhere, but let's see if it works wonders. I'm trying Cantu Shea Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream for natural curls, coils, and waves. It claims that it can smooth, adds shine, and define curls. Something I really love about Cantu products, they always have a how-to section on their bottles. This one says, apply to damp hair section by section. It also says reapply to dry hair, so you can use it on wet or dry hair. Or you can reapply this to dry hair as needed for additional moisture. This product is Curly Girl approved. No parabens, sulfates, silicones, mineral oils. The list is there for you. It's CG friendly. By the end of this video, you will know whether or not you want to buy this product. I will show you step by step how it's worked, whether it's helped me, whether it hasn't helped me, what you need to add or not add to it. You want to watch until the very end of this video. This product says it can work on all hair types, type 2 hair, type 3 hair, and type 4. Okay, that's quite a claim. Let's begin. So the materials that you need, obviously the Cantu Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. You can use a leave-in conditioner, it's optional, but really this product moisturized my hair so much. My hair was soft. I didn't need a leave-in conditioner. I didn't need added moisture. That's what a leave-in conditioner does. It adds moisture to the hair. And this product does it exceptionally well. A wide tooth comb or a detangling brush, obviously a bottle, spray bottle to re-wet your hair, a microfiber towel or an old cotton t-shirt, a diffuser if you're going to diffuse your hair, which is what I'm going to do, or you can air dry, it's up to you, and some hairbands or clips just to section the hair out. I also used a gel, so I used the Eco Style olive oil as well as this Cantu. This cream feels really thick when I added it to my hair. It made my hair soft, but the minute I added the Eco Styler, it feels very sticky and stiff in some way, almost heavy. It really does start to feel like a heavy product weighing my hair down. We'll see how it goes. I also love rating the smell of products. Now this product smells like the usual Cantu, that coconutty smell, not the best. But when I added the Eco Style, wow, it smelled lovely, like a really light fragrance smell. It's quite refreshing. One big thing I really didn't like was the white residue. Can you see? There's so much white residue. I started on clean hair and I'm going to tell you a few steps on what I did. Freshly washed, conditioned, deep conditioned. I used sulfate-free shampoo, no silicones, and a really good deep conditioner. Step 2 is I sectioned my hair into 4 parts. I start from the back, working forwards. As you can see, I'm on the last portion. It's just manageable for me this way, otherwise hair gets knotted everywhere. This really makes it easier for me to coat each strand of my hair. Step 3, I detangle. So I've obviously detangled in the shower. Now what I do is I re-wet my hair with a spray bottle. I detangle with a brush while my hair is wet. I then apply the product, and then I also applied the gel after that. You can detangle with a wide tooth comb. I'm detangling with the detangle brush. This one just works amazing for me. How much product do you actually need in each little section? You can see these little sections. I found with this product, you didn't need a lot of product for each section. It just felt heavy. So all you need is a small amount of Cantu. Apply to the hair and then apply it to section by section, obviously, ensuring that you distribute the product from roots to ends. And detangle. I detangle all the time. That's how you get the best defined curls, and that's step number 5. For each section, I use your fingers to define your curls. Brush out the knots. You can also use praying hands method or a shingling technique to encourage the curl definition. But I ended up using the praying hands method. You'll see as we go through. I went over the hair just with praying hands method, but I raked my hair, raked. Step number 6 is obviously repeat across your whole head. Repeat the application and defining process. Section by section, take your time. Don't rush this process. If you rush it, your curls will not come out as defined for any product, not just this product, any product you use. You'll get more of a afro, which is lovely, but it doesn't always last as long. Step number 7, you can scrunch your hair if you want more volume. I don't generally scrunch after applying the product. I don't generally scrunch ever, just because my hair has volume, it curls nicely. I don't really need to scrunch, but some products actually work better when you scrunch. So you can scrunch, but I didn't scrunch. As you can see, there's no scrunching. I'm literally just doing it section by section, adding each one. Step number 8, once you've applied all the products to your hair, it's time to dry your hair. If you're going to air dry, I think this will take you hours. So I did not air dry. My hair just felt thick, like heavy, coated. When there's a lot of product in my hair, it takes longer to dry. So I diffused my hair. Obviously, you know, if you're diffusing your hair, you need to do it on low heat, high speed, and you can alternate between the medium heat as well to avoid frizz, and you can alternate between cold and medium heat. Don't use hot heat on your hair. My diffuser has 3 settings, so I don't ever use the hot section, but I do it on high speed and medium heat usually. I then also added some oil to seal in the moisture. I used jojoba oil. I've added it after I've applied all the hair products, and then I started raking my hair. I felt like I needed to rake. Now you won't believe it. It took me an hour, 40 minutes starting on stopping to diffuse. So I didn't do it continuously, but I was just so tired. It took a long time to dry. And even when it was dry, it still looked wet, but it was finally dry. It took so long. Usually it takes my hair 40 to 45 minutes to diffuse my whole head. This took an hour and 40 minutes. That's because of all the product. I put too much of the product on my hair, which weighed it down, which took longer to dry. I suggest using very little of this product on each section, and obviously then whatever gel you want to use, because it felt like this product didn't have much hold, and so that's why I added the gel. But you could try using it on its own, but it sounds like it's a moisturizer rather than a styling product. It does style and define the curls, but I'm not sure it would have lasted me as long. So these are my results. Day 1. Oh my goodness, I love these results. I was blown away. Then comes day 2, which looked way better. What a difference. I was like, thank you. I was so worried on day 1 because it was flat. I needed to fluff out. I just thought I had no time after all that process. I just thought, no. But look at these curls, at the definition. The hair was soft, there was no crunch. I didn't really need to fluff it out. On day 2 it looked so much better. My hair had settled. Whatever it was that was weighing it down, it just lifted it, you know. So day 1 there was definition. That's how much hair I lost for sure. Very little crunch, but it looked weighed down. Can you see? It just looked wet. It looked like a wet look. Let's just move on to day 2. Oh wow, yes, not flat like yesterday. It's looking good. How long will it last? Let's see. The curls are defined and soft. Feels a little greasy, but maybe that's because I added the oil, and oil shouldn't really make it greasy. I added an oil again today, so I won't add any tomorrow or the next. I'll really just leave it at that, but it did feel a bit greasy. Step number 9 would be to fluff and scrunch out the crunch, but really I didn't need to do that. On day 2, it formulated into the perfect ringlets. I loved the volume I had, and it was only going to get bigger. Step number 10 is to maintain and refresh. To maintain your wash and goes, protect your hair at night by using a satin or silk scarf or bonnet. You can also refresh your curls on non-wash days. Just spray a bit of water and a bit of product. And yeah, so to give you my outcome, would I recommend you buy this? Yes, if you are lacking moisture. definitely this adds a lot of moisture. It claimed to smooth the hair. It does. Add shine, I think so. Defines curls, it does. But it's a bit sticky, as I said, but afterwards it's not. And the curls, did they last 7 days? No, they didn't. I needed to pin up the front and make it look all presentable. So I would say no, if you want to buy one product that can last you 7 days, this is not the product. But if you're happy to refresh, then it's absolutely fine. This is day 4 and the curls are frizzy, frizzy, frizzy. It's not terrible, but you need to refresh if you want to use this product. Firstly, you don't need to use as much, but the amount of product and techniques you use may vary based on your hair's unique characteristics. Different hair type, different density, different porosity. Just see and experiment and see what works for you. Thanks so much for watching Curls by Charlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!